But okay, here we are at the pipes of the filtration step 2, and in the cellar over there and over there we have the big tanks for the clean water, for the drinking water. Well, normally we have one colleague working at the control room and another 3 working here somewhere around, just making maintenance, fixing something, cleaning something, replacing something. So not so many people working here. In all we have 14 people working for the waterwork, because we have 6 colleagues doing the shift. 3 colleagues one week and 3 colleagues the other week. Every 8 hours we change the shift. We have 2 colleagues electrician, do all the electric stuff, and 2 the mechanics, all the bells and all that. Well, and the head, well, the master and his second master. This is a special quality. So this is a long time filtration. I don't know with all the stuff my colleagues from the laboratory they do that. Right. But normally all the water from here goes via a small pipe to a special room over the laboratory with all the measurements in one room. They can see it in the control room. Yes. Well, they can do the first step, to fix it, to stop it, and then come here and do the maintenance and do the fixing. Okay, this would be the way out.
Skål!
Well, here we have all the chemistry, I would say. Here we have the aluminum sulfate. This is the main stuff we need. We need about 800 tons per year. And it's a grain of this size, about 12 to 15 millimeters. And it's you put water in it and it gets solved. And this is inside here, and we do a suspension, right? And give it up. Under the roof we have big tanks, and from these tanks it goes by gravity to the place we need it in the treatment. Here we have the flocculant, and at the back we have our activated carbon if we need. We just need every 5 or 7 years activated carbon. And on the other side we have the lime water, and the disinfection is in the ceiling over there. Well, okay. Yes. Well, it's quite, it's built like a mirror.
Okay.
Mirror-wise.
Same thing.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So this. Oh, sorry. This is the way out in the sun. Maybe it's a little bit warm outside.
Yeah.
Good, sehr gut. Okay, this is a wheel of a Francis turbine. This is the inside, the moving part, And this one was at the Oder. This is a different power station. Also Harzwasserwerke, yes, on the south side of Harz Mountains. And as you can read here, it is after 45 years of operating, it was renewed, and you can see why. There is corrosion at the end of these several parts, yes, and that means noise, very loud on the one hand, and less electricity. Yes. Well, the speed was 300 turnings a minute, and the power was 6.5 megawatts. So it's a little bit bigger than the one at Oka.
So we are walking towards the dam, and these are the parts which has been used in the production of electricity or whatever. These are all retired.
Nee, aber man kann das nicht richtig lesen, weil man kommt an dieses stachelige Ding hier ran. An die Hecke. So this is a valve, very old, and it was in operating for 62 years. And as you can see over there, there's the hand wheel, and there's no machine to close or to open it, just by your own arms. Not one person, I think 3 should be needed, were needed to open or to close it, because especially to close it, because of the water running through and the pressure, it's very, very hard stuff to close this. So today it's a little bit different, as you remember maybe inside the big valve there. Okay. Well, today we have 40 million cubic meters of water inside here. And it's filled up to 87%. It's quite filled up, yes. And it's different to the Oka. It's not so hard to see. Well, we have a dam, a normal dam, and then on the water side we have this ceiling of concrete. And we renewed the part, the upper part, and the part where the water goes up and down. Because this is the part where most of the damages over the years gets in this ceiling, and you can see we call it an elephant out. Elephant outside? No. So elephant surface? Skin. Yeah, das fiel mir nicht ein. Danke. It's an elephant skin. You can see there. And I think 2 or 3, 5 years mostly. Also we have to renew this.
Why is not plain? Why is not smooth? Why
Yes,
is elephant skin?
it's because of the sun and
Okay.
because of the temperature. When the sun in summer shines on it, we have temperature up to 50, 60 degrees. And in winter, in the night maybe, we have minus 20, minus 25, sometimes, not all winters. And so this difference is quite a lot. And this means this is flowing.
So the seal was concrete.
Yes, it's a concrete, it's a
Bituminous concrete, they say in the video.
yes, it's like the surface on the road,
Okay.
something like that.
Rigid something.
Asphaltbeton. In German we call it Asphaltbeton.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So here we have something special. These cables. This is a safety system for the people working on this ceiling. They have a special thing to get in here and have their cable to their own body, but, and so
Harnessing.
they won't get down in the water. So.
How deep is this water here? Any idea, maybe?
50, 52, 55 meters, I would say.
55 meter down.
Down.
Okay.
You see this bottom?
Yeah,
this
the-
point. This is underneath. We have the inlet.
Okay.
I would say 52, 55. I don't know.
Okay, that's quite deep.
Yes. And over there you can see this building. This is the Windenhaus. In Oka we were in the Windenhaus.
Okay.
And this is the same here. And this is the ceiling for the bottom outlet on the water side.
Okay.
So we decided to have a small walk, another walk, 600 meters over there. There's the spillway, and it's different to the spillway at Oka. So
We are heading to the spillway.
you have to let.
We are going to the spillway. Just the beauty of this area I'm trying to show you here in this video. Such a nice and beautiful view you can see to the mountains. Beautiful valley. See that?
Meters to have another 2 meters in the reservoir, and when we lower it, all the water gets down with one short break down this spillway.
This one that goes down?
Down to the small pond underneath.
Right, yeah, sorry.
And all the wood and all the stuff coming with the high flood, it would go down with the water and would clean this area up.
So the direction of water is this,
Yes,
the whole thing.
but normally it should be here. Yes.
Because the gate's open.
Well, the gate's not really open. It's half closed, I would say. No, it's not. Nearly 80% closed, maybe. As you can see, it just goes up another meter. I don't know, maybe. Yeah. Yes. Well. Ja, genau.
Other side of the gate.
Das ist der Hof wie ein Fischbauch. Wenn wir jetzt unten auch noch geschlossen ist, dann nehmen wir das Fischbauchcover. Ich versuche die ganz stark.
Water goes down all the way to the valley.
140 kilograms. 140 over there, you know?
Same as you can see, it's coming down all the way.
So cool. Imagine just floating.
Big slide, isn't it?
They're coming out to this pond, and when it's not enough, and each of them, they have about 15 or 16 cubic meters per second, it would go this spillway down, yes.
In case of a flood.
Yes, but normally not, because as I told you, the river Grane never would fill up this reservoir. So we have to just stop the water coming from Oka and the water coming from Innerstedt. So there's no increasing level. But you have. Yes, well, it's a quite nice place to work.
It is a really nice place, yes.
But the people, they don't have to spend money to work here. No, they get money, yes. Because it's so nice, you know.
But not so many people work here because everything has been automated. So
Yes, that's right. Well, in all, we have 240 employees,
the whole company?
the whole company. And here, as I told you, 15 people working at the waterworks and 15 or 16 working at the central laboratory. Yes. Well, there's a joke always on that subject. As two friends walking on Sunday at the firm, and one colleague says, "Okay, this is my firm." "Ah, okay, this is your firm. How many people work there?" He said, "Maybe the half of it."
We were speaking
Okay.
before.
why aren't the sports allowed in there?
Because it's drinking water.
That's the reason.
That's the reason. It's
But I mean-
it's because of the law. Yes,
Okay, so the
it's
law
forbidden by law.
is forbidden in here, or I mean, can you go upstream just to the river and
Yes,
bathe
well,
in there?
you can go to the Oka. It's allowed at the Oka. It's allowed at the Innerste.
But it's also drinking water in the Oka because it's coming here.
Yes, that's right. But there's not as the protection is not so high as here. That's like
Okay,
this.
it's just law.
We have a boat there. Not we. There is a boat on the Oka, and they were forced to build some special security stuff, like the machine is not just the machine in the boat. It's just covered twice, because of the
okay.
oil and all
Yeah.
that stuff.
Yeah,
And well, several things are not allowed. Other boats, I think, are not allowed.
Here we are going back. Hello guys, we are heading back to Magdeburg. Here is our coach. Everyone is climbing the stairs, and I am the only one who is standing out. We have finished our today trip, and here we go.